Hello everyone and welcome back. If your kids are like mine and love chapati, bread, pizza and donuts, but you dread the kneading part, then this video is just for you. We have found a machine that can make all these tasks a breeze. The American Micronic bread and atta maker. And this gadget has quickly become a favorite in our household. But first of all, let me make it very clear that this is not a sponsored video. So after thorough research, we decided to get this amazing gadget and we have been using it for over 2 weeks now. In today's video, we'll be sharing all the details of this awesome machine, so let's get started. We bought our American Micronic bread and atta maker from Amazon and the delivery was fast. Now there were a couple of options to choose and we finalized this bread maker due to its cost factor. It was priced at 5.7k with almost similar functions as other costlier options. Let's dive into the unboxing. As you can see, the packaging is really secure. Inside the box, you get the bread and atta maker, a measuring cup, a measuring spoon, a kneading blade and a hook for removing the kneading blade from the bread. So in this measuring cup, the small end is considered a spoon and the other end is the scoop part. Unfortunately, our user manual and recipe book were missing, but a quick call to customer care resolved that. They were prompt enough to courier the user manual in no time. Now let's take a closer look at the machine itself and its features. The machine has a sleek design with easy to use buttons. Here you have the basic settings, different modes for kneading, rising, baking and more. There is also a delay timer feature to start the bread maker at a later time. We need to use these arrow buttons to increase or decrease the cycle time. Now let's put this machine to action and see how versatile it is. First, we tried making chapati dough. All you need to do is to add the ingredients, select the dough setting and let the machine do its magic. We opted to use 1:2 ratio for atta and water since we wanted the dough to be a bit sticky to use for our roti maker. Roti maker dough needs to be in this consistency, otherwise the end result won't be good. You may use the normal ratio for atta and water and prepare the dough accordingly. The dough came out perfectly kneaded, saving us a lot of time and effort. Next, we tried making basic bread using the recipe book that came with the machine. We need to follow the exact measurements mentioned and add in the right order. Liquid ingredients go first, followed by dry ingredients, and lastly the yeast. The yeast should only be placed on the dry flour and never come in contact with the liquid or salt. Even though the bread tasted nice, it didn't rise much the way we expected, and when we checked online for the reason, we figured out that the flour quality matters a lot. Then we decided to try whole wheat bread by adapting the same recipe mentioned in the recipe book. This time the result was awesome. We realized that the quality of the flour matters a lot. In our first attempt, we used loosely sold refined flour, which affected the outcome. For the whole wheat bread, we used high quality flour and the difference was clear. Also, this time we used olive oil instead of sunflower oil. The bread was fluffy, soft and delicious. Next, we tried making brownie by adapting a recipe from online. One of the fun features of this machine is that you can also stir fry snacks like peanuts, almonds and makhana. We added peanuts and almonds, selected the stir fry option. Since makhana roasting takes less time, we added it after 10 minutes. The machine handled everything beautifully and the nuts were perfectly roasted. One feature we really appreciate is the auto resume function. In case of a power cut, the machine picks up right where it left off and will continue with the process. But if the interruption time is longer than 15 minutes, it will go back to its default settings. We even made pizza dough with the intention of having a pizza night, but the kids had other plans and wanted donuts instead. The dough was versatile enough for both. Overall, we are very satisfied with the American Micronic bread and atta maker. It has made our lives so much easier and we love experimenting with new recipes. Cleaning the bread pan is also very easy since it's non-stick. So if you're looking for a reliable machine to help with your baking and dough making needs, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. I'll see you soon with the next video. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Bye.